Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay. I am going to be playing around with a palette today, and the palette I've chosen is the Revolution collaboration with Roxy. If you don't know who Roxy is, ROXXSAURUS on YouTube. She's collaborated with Revolution to bring out this palette. Now, it's not new. I'm not claiming it's new. There's probably millions of other reviews on YouTube, but this is the first one from me. That's what it looks like inside. It's very colourful. Um, we're in May. It's meant to be festival season. Well, festival season would have already been like way ahead of us by now. So I just wanted to do a colourful look, so I thought this one would be perfect. It has been out for quite a while. She's also got a couple of other new items since her launch last week for a blush palette and blush, bronzer and lip trio came out last week. So congratulations on that. But this video I will be trying the ROXXSAURUS Colour Blast palette. She's got two eyeshadow palettes. Not too sure what the first one is. But yes, this is the only one I've got. I got it for £6, but originally it is £10. I got it into the sale. I'm going to shut up and get into it. Some of the colour shades are, I'm going to swatch some on my hands. You've got Lemonade, which is a yellow colour. Bit chalky and a bit weak, but I'm sure I'll be able to layer it up. So you've got Fetch, which I'm presuming, because it's pink, it's from Mean Girls. Oh, that one's getting better. I think it's just the way I'm swatching, to be honest. You've got Bang Bang, which is an orange colour. Oh, the colours are there. Let's have some shimmers. So you've got oh, I expected more shimmers. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, is there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? There's no bright shimmers. There's only the brightest one is Sky, which is a silver one. Oh, it's quite nice actually. You've got Royal, which is a dark burgundy. Wow, look at that. That is great. Even swatches good. One more Botanical, which I think is the only one I'll be using for this look. It's a bit too sheer for my liking, but I'm sure I can get it to work. Yeah, that is very sheer. So now I've swatched some of them. There's only one thing for it, and then that is to get straight into it. So first, I am going to take. Well, I'm going to go for lavender, which is a lavender colour. So lavender is on. It's blended out quite well. I am liking that. Now I am going to go in with, which one do I want to go on? Yeah, wait. I'm going to take Tammy, which is the white one, and go and lighten up my inner corners. So I've lightened up the inner corners. Now I'm going to go in with the yellow, which is Lemonade. Now I'm going to take Blue Lagoon, and then I'm just going to try and add a bit of blue onto the smoked out purple. So now I've blended that out. It's blended out quite well. I'm going to concentrate underneath. I'm going to take Dinosaur, which is the green, and just take it underneath the lid, the lower lash line. So now added the green. I'm not too sure if you can see it on camera, but I'm taking Botanical, which is the green, and add it on top of the lower lash line and then smudge it outwards. I've left a gap between the green and the blue because I like to have a little detail in skin, whatever you call it there. Can you see it? I'm not too sure you can. In person you can, and I'm liking it. So I'm just going to give it a bit of a blend out underneath. And then I'm going to take Sky, which is that silver shimmer colour, and put it on the remaining lower lash line. Also add a bit onto the inner corner. So now I'm going to take Princess, which is like this champagne shimmer, and take it onto the lid. Then also, with the Sky, I'm going to take it underneath my brow bone. So I feel like that is the eyes. It's not as pigmented as I expected, but it is Revolution, so the pigmentation isn't going to be 100%. So I'm just going to take some mascara. Now I'm going to take some bronzer and just go in with that. I'm going to go in with a bit of blush. I don't normally go in with blush, but because I'm trying to add colour to it, I thought these pastel blushes from Kat Von D Fetish palette would do quite nicely. So I'm going to go and take Coven. Oh, yeah, I like that. I'm definitely loving blush lately. What should I use one? Ooh, that's nice. I don't know which highlighter to use. I feel like I could use all of them. So let's get a brush first. First, I'm going to go in with Rose Shock, which is the pink one, just to see what that's like. Oh, hello. I don't know why I'm holding two mirrors, but wow. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm loving that. Ooh, wow. Why don't I remember using these? I've definitely used it before. I'm going to go in with a bit of telepathy. Is it telepathy? Yeah, telepathy, which is the purple one. Just oh yes, I'm liking that. Mm. I may go over the top of there as well. Oh yeah. I've dragged it onto the brow as well, just to add a bit of shimmer to the brow. And lips, I'm actually going to take another Kat Von D. It's not Kat Von D anymore, it's actually KVD Beauty. She doesn't own it anymore. Well, she's not part of, I'm not too sure does she own it? I don't know. It's KVD Beauty now, but this is still, I'm using Kat Von D. This is Coven, and it is, oh, I forgot how amazing they smell. It's like a lavender colour. Ooh, I'm liking that. So, Coven is on the lips, and now I'm going to top it with bit of a controversy, but I am topping it with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics lip gloss in Dirty Royalty. That has improved it so much. Oh, I'm liking that. What do you think? So, a breakdown in the look. This palette, it's okay. It's got some hit and miss colours. For example, this Sky Silver, I am loving it. The white is great. The yellow is great. But some of the other colours, it's just, as soon as you try to blend it, it just blends away. So for £6, yes. For £10, no. But the rest of the look, I'm loving that highlighter. I need to start using that a bit more. It just looks wet on the skin. I'm loving it. These lips, you do not, you should know by now, like pastel pink, pastel purple, because like it's even the colour of my nails. Very on trend. So yes, what do you think? Let me know down below, and any suggestions on any other future videos. Again, you know what to do. Give me a big thumbs up, and I shall see you all in my next video. So it's goodbye from me, Matt. Goodbye from Rainbow Soul. Stay sassy.